Hi guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to make Ankara shoulder bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, lining, a zipper, scissors. We'll be using strong interfacing and tape rule. Measurements for this bag we are making will be 14 inches long by 8 inches width, and I have two of these here. I already ironed the strong interfacing on it. So the next thing to do, I'll keep this aside. Let's work with one. So I'm going to fold this into two equal parts first of all. Okay, so when that is done, you open back. Then from that midpoint, you're going to measure 2 inches down. So just mark the folded part. Then from there, I'm marking the 2 inches. Just doing 2 inches. We're going to connect that line together. When that is done, so from this center point now, place your tape rule, and you're going to mark ½ inch to this point and ½ inch here. You're going to make like a V shape back to this 2 inches line. Okay, from this point, 1 inch interval, another 1 inch. So this is from this point to this point now is 1 inch interval, and this is 1 inch itself. So you're going to still make another V shape here. Okay, so you come back to this other side, another 1 inch interval. Okay, then this is another 1 inch. We are also going to make another V shape. So I'm going to cut this off. So this is what it looks like after cutting out. And you're going to do the same cutting for the other part of the Ankara fabric. Done. I have two of them cut out now. Then we are going to trace this shape to form a bag shape. If you can see, I also cut this off. After cutting out, this is it. I'm just going to place this on this other part and trace it out and cut it out. when that is done, the next thing to do is to place this on your lining. You're going to also trace it and cut it out. After cutting out the lining, same way, now you want to go to your sewing machine and stitch. You're going to stitch this part, also stitch this. You're going to stitch this one. You're going to stitch the lining same way. So after stitching, this is what it looks like. This is the lining. And the next thing you want to do is to take your zipper. So you place your zipper this way. I'm going to stitch this here. Okay, we're going to place the lining. And see, we have this one now is the inside, this is the outside of the line. You put it. You are going to sew your Ankara fabric together with the zipper, together with the lining at once. You just stitch straight down. After stitching, you are going to open it up. Go back to your sewing machine and to stitch on it. So you can see that the lining is now facing the Ankara fabric on the right side. Part of stitching, you can see how flat the zip is laying now. I'm going to fix the other side of the back. Same way, place this here. We're also going to place the lining under. So this part, this sewn part should be facing out. Okay, so you're going to stitch the material with the zipper and the lining together. And when that is done, you open it after stitching together and also top stitch on it. Now I have stitched and stitch, and this is what our bag is looking like now. So you're going to cut a piece of Ankara fabric, fold it and just stitch it a bit. We're going to place this here. We're going to stitch on it. Place this other one here. I'm also going to place it this way. I'm going to stitch on it. Stitch. The next thing you want to do, Ankara to Ankara, lining to lining. I'm going to stitch. Okay. Then the lining also, I'm going to stitch. When you get to this bottom part, you leave space where we can turn the bag inside out. Leave space and you continue to stitch up the bag. So I have stitched round, and I also trim off any excess that is just at the side of the bag. I've already trimmed that off. Stitch, and I left this space where we are going to turn the bag inside out. Before we finally turn the bag inside out, let's go back and stitch this part. Fold it inside and stitch on it. I've stitched. We can now turn the bag inside out. So this is what to be using for the handle of the bag. And for the handle of the bag, this is bridal satin I want us to use. Let's measure it. So this is 13 inches. We are going to get this handle hook. Let's fix this inside. I'm going to stitch it. Fix this other side. I'm also going to stitch it. And stitch the handle. This bridal satin, I already ironed interfacing in it, and I stitch it on both sides. I hope you can see. So after that is done, you're just going to fix your handle of the bag. And when that is done, that is it, guys. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Please like this video, subscribe, share this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.